Well, after 25 years of paying rent for the players' residence on Shortwood Road, the JFF has called it a day as they will now be moving into the newly constructed players' dorm at the UWI Captain Horace Burrell Technical Center.
So the facility at the Captain Burrell Center is in fact ready, and we have decided that it makes no sense now that that facility is ready to be still paying rent for this facility. So we would have indicated to the owners that at the end of this month we will be terminating the arrangement.
The JFF was paying $200,000 per month for rent, and Rickett says the savings will now go a long way in taking care of other needs.
Now that we have our own hostel, so to speak, that that amount of money that normally would be paid for rent could be directed elsewhere. So it is indeed a fact that certainly we are delighted, and we just want to ensure that we make the best use of this new facility.
And while the players were residing at Shortwood Road, they had none other than former Prime Minister P.J. Patterson as a neighbor. On Tuesday, the JFF visited Patterson, where they presented departure gifts for the years spent next door.
I was able, as a good neighbor, to help them in their efforts. They were always welcome, and we also made sure that they got some eye of protection from here, which was necessary and very important in these times.
Patterson has no regrets about the players staying next door, but it seems unlikely that there will be another national association taking up residence at the Shortwood Road premises.
I don't know where the ownership of the property lies. I think the person seems to have some interest in a development. That would have to be shown to me, because there are restrictive covenants as to what sort of building can take place in this area.